This is why you need nature in your life. Let's explore the jungles and hills that take your breath away. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds singing, the crisp morning air filling your lungs. You're surrounded by lush, green jungles that stretch as far as the eye can see. Feel the thrill of trekking through hidden trails, where every step brings a new surprise. Majestic waterfalls cascading down rocky cliffs, their mist kissing your face. And those hills, rolling and endless, inviting you to climb higher and higher. The view from the top, absolutely breathtaking. Nature isn't just scenery, it's a feeling. It's the peace that washes over you as you sit by a serene lake at sunset. It's the adrenaline rush of spotting a wild animal in its natural habitat. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and let's embark on an adventure of a lifetime. Because the untamed beauty of nature is calling, and it's time to answer.